Hey there, this is Matt with 911R, and we have the 76 911 or 912E backdate to a long hood hot rod Porsche. So this car has been refinished in Mexico blue, and it was all done by Patrick Motorsports here in Arizona. They're really well known for doing hot rod 911s. This car has Group 4 wheels on it. It's got 964 brake calipers and on it all the way around. It has full custom suspension that is done by KW with built-in into strut towers and everything. It's really cool, dual adjustable suspension, adjustable spring plates, and sway bars front and rear. On the inside, you get Recaro sport seats with Pepita inserts. You get full custom dash and door cards on this car. What's really cool, and come in here and zoom in on this, it has the 356 old style greening gauges in it. What they've done is taken 911 gauges and had them all redone with the chrome bezels and the green lettering and the silver centers and stuff. Really cool gauges. That's very expensive item to do. The dashboard and top of the door cards are all custom, RS style door pulls, power windows, sunroof, which is really neat on it, have an old hot rod like this. Again, this is a 76 car, so it's got a long short hood conversion, but James did custom luggage for this guy. It's all fitted and beautiful on this car, which is really cool with the Pepita interior. H4 headlights. And you know, it's come around. So this has RS flares on it, slightly wider on the rear. Got 911R style rear window vents with the rain trays in it. Really neat little touches on this car. You know, I built a car, a 68 911R. That was actually how we came up with our 911R sign name, and it was built on a 912 as well. If you go on BAT and you search, this car is one of the higher selling cars ever. Let me open up the back of this. So on the engine, instead of having the 912E engine, we got a 3.0 motor. I believe it's out of 78. That's been warmed up and all gone through. It was all resealed and taken care of. It's got Recaro tensioners on it. The fan housing's all been redone. You know, CIS injection. Really strong running motor. It's really a great base model for a hot rod like this. Or you can, you know, this would be a good one to take and do a short stroke and fuel injection if you ever wanted to really make it hot. But you got heat exchangers on it as well. Stainless steel rear sport muffler. Lots of really nice touches on this car. But you know, hard to beat Mexico blue ever, and you know, somebody should really have a good time with this one. Any questions on it, let me know. Use the contact seller button and we'll get right back to you. If you're interested in need a shipping quote, we can help you that, or interested in 911R represented car for you, I can help you too. Thank you.